Testing one, testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Oh, I've got a new microphone and I'm trying to make sure it's working. Hello all, this is Artisan Tony and this is another SketchUp video. Today I want to highlight a new tool that Nathaniel Wilkerson has added to Medeek Wall Tools. It's the new Medeek Wall Tools 2 toolbar, and it looks like this here. Sometimes I like to keep my workspace uncluttered, so I'll just use them from the menu. But for this video, I'm going to go ahead and pop these out to show them. We had before the wall tools that were awesome tools anyway, where you could move an opening, edit it, move a wall, edit a wall, split a wall, just a plethora of tools. But the new tools kind of add a different dimension here, pardon the pun, where we can copy an opening, which is a big deal. And I thought I would just show you why. And I think what I'll do is I'm just going to draw a little house here, and what I'm going to do is use the I'm just going to draw some rectangles here, and we're going to use that to first draw some walls. Draw it from the wall perimeter, which is basically where you can select a face like that I had just drawn and pop some walls up. Isn't that awesome? Now what I want to do, I'm going to turn off some of these layers, these tags. I'm going to go to my wall. I'm going to turn off all these dimension layers, which are handy, but not at the moment. Okay, so we're going to start off with just those walls. I wonder if I still have my plane in there. Yeah, because what I'm going to do later is I'm going to draw a roof. As a matter of fact, I might. No, I'm going to put the windows in first. So let's just say we wanted to come and put some windows in, and let's say window. All right, so we could just go around, place our windows. Now obviously you might want to do this more accurately. I'm just doing this for the sake of showing the new tool. And this does happen a lot, where you have a lot of the same window type. Okay, I'm going to turn off the studs for a second, just because that way they don't kind of interfere with what we're trying to do now as far as visually. So a lot of times you'll have a customer who, they're not finicky, but they have a lot of questions. Let's just put it that way. It'll be like, oh, what if we made them 4 foot tall, or what if we made them, 5 foot tall, or what if they were 32 inches wide, or what if they were double hung windows? I mean, literally, I have sat for hours. This is not a complaint. This is what I do for a living. I design and build things. So it's just one of those painful things that we have to go through. And it's just part of it. So, but to have cool tools like this is an awesome thing. So what I could do is go and edit that opening to be what the customer wants to see on the updated window. We'll change it to 60 inches tall and to a double hung. And now that we have done that, we can take our trusty new copy opening tool and take that window and select the 60 and the double hung, and we can update these other windows. Now, and sometimes you can just show a few windows, but sometimes the homeowners really literally want to see all of them. And this allows you to quickly go around and select them. Just that easy. Did I miss one? I missed one, didn't I? Well, I think I'm still in the mode. So I was able to get all of them. So that's pretty awesome. So you can sit in your homeowner meeting, show them that. Now let's show a simple roof. Another cool tool. Do I still have my face? Yeah. Another cool thing you can do to create a quick roof is do a complex roof with the Medeek truss tool, and you can select that same face that I use for the walls, and I like the rafter ones, and I can just pick. Let's see, do we have sometimes our cladding's not turned on? Yes. Update. We'll just pick a few things here, and then we'll select that, and then we can raise it up. I forgot, are these 8-foot walls? Yeah, let's see, 8 feet 1. Yeah, it looks like they're 8-foot walls. Typically nowadays we're doing 9-foot. So, let's say they want to change them back to a casement window. On a casement window, you can get by with a shorter window in the bedrooms, which will save you money because you can get more openable area with a casement window. You're supposed to have 5.7 square feet for a openable area in a bedroom window. Let's go back and change that to a 48-inch window, and let's say they want to use a casement. Okay, I'm going to update that. You can see it's a smaller, a shorter window, but probably still meets egress requirements, and maybe $100 less per window. So you're looking at a couple of $1,000 maybe of savings. May not look as good, but this may be a spec home or something. Maybe it's on a budget. Okay, so we're going to go now and give them an idea of what this is going to look like. We're going to take our copy window tool, copy opening rather, and we're going to select that, and we're going to select all the windows around the house. And this tool comes in really handy when the homeowner just makes their final decision, and you can just go around and check that all the windows there, and in just a few seconds we've saved them several $1,000s on their windows. There you go. Very easy. So I want to thank Nathaniel Wilkerson for all the work he does on these extensions. It really allows us to really change our job from just grunt work to being able to communicate with the homeowner or the project owner quickly and efficiently. And I personally don't charge a lot for. In some cases, I'll negotiate. If I'm building a home, I'll actually do the drawings for free for them as sort of a marketing tool. So for me, it works out great because I'm not making a lot of money on drawings. It's just a communication tool so that I can get out there and start building, and then I can claim victory in the end. Yeah, baby.